Have you ever had to type the same word or value into several Excel cells one by one? What if I told you there's a faster way, no dragging, no copy-paste? In this quick video, I'll show you how to fill multiple cells instantly, using Excel tables and 2 time-saving shortcuts. First, let's make this range smarter by converting it into an Excel table. Click anywhere inside your data, then press Ctrl T. Automatically selects the entire range. Make sure My Table Has Headers is checked, then click OK. You'll notice new colors and filter arrows. This means your data is now structured as a table. Tables are powerful because they expand automatically, and formulas or formats applied to all new rows instantly. Now let's fill the status column with the same word in all rows. Arrange, click the first empty cell, type active. But don't press Enter yet. Instead, press Ctrl Enter. Instantly, Excel fills every selected cell with the same word. Here's another method, the fill down command. I've already typed active in the first cell of the status column. Now I'll select that cell along with the rest of the empty cells below. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon, look to the editing group, click Fill, and then select Down. Instantly, Excel copies the top value into every selected cell. This is exactly what the shortcut Ctrl D does, but it's useful to know where to find it in the ribbon. Here's a bonus. When you type a formula in an Excel table, it automatically fills the entire column. No shortcuts needed. Comment to know any questions. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.